In this example, we want to find the inverse function of y equals x plus 1 over x minus 3. Like in example 1, the inverse changes the input x of f to the output of f inverse. To get x as the output, we need to solve this equation for x, so we have a formula giving x as the output. To do this, let's multiply both sides by x minus 3 so we no longer have a fraction on the right. This will give us x minus 3 times y equals x plus 1 divided by x minus 3 times x minus 3. But if we multiply by x minus 3 and then divide by x minus 3, we're right back where we started at x plus 1. On the left, we can distribute to have x times y minus 3 times y. Now since x is in our equation twice, let's get x to one side and everything without x to the other side by subtracting xy and 1 from both sides. This will give us xy minus 3y minus xy minus 1 equals x plus 1 minus xy. On the right, 1 minus 1 is just 0, so we have x minus xy. And on the left, xy minus xy is also 0, leaving us with negative 3y minus 1. So now we need to solve the equation negative 3y minus 1 equals x times xy for x. To do this, we factor x out on the right so it only shows up once, giving us negative 3y minus 1 equals x times 1 minus y. Finally, we can solve for x by dividing by 1 minus y on both sides to get that x equals negative 3y minus 1 over 1 minus y. Lastly, changing the roles of x and y gives our inverse function y equals f inverse of x is negative 3x minus 1 over 1 minus x.